If you have been sourcing products or import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, but you find it difficult to pay for your order on 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can simply pay for your order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Fish, or any Chinese e-commerce website or app, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba, or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce website or app, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import or pay your Chinese supplier using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to pay for your order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. So I'm going to click on my 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. So after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for products from different supplier right here. And ordinarily, there are so many ways by which you can use to search for products on 1688. One of the first ways is to come to the top right here, type the name of the product you are looking for. You are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon right here, which stands for image search. What you do right here is to click on this camera icon, upload the product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. Then from there, you can choose a supplier on 1688, or better still, you can come to the top right here. This allows you to connect with direct manufacturer in China at a very closest and cheap price. So right here, you can scroll down right there. The more you scroll down, the more you see different manufacturers right here. Or better still, you can swipe this way and see different category of the manufacturer right here. So let's simply go back to the home page on 1688. Or better still, you can also click on this icon right here, which allow you to search for latest and new product from different manufacturer on 1688. Or you click on this icon right here, which allow you to search for products based on the category. Okay, once you are able to search for products from different method, or once you are able to search for product with whatever method you choose from what I explained in this video, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. After you have successfully added the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to view your cart. Then all the products is going to be found right here. The next thing you need to do is to select the one you want to pay for. Right here, I'm paying for this particular clothes right here. I need to simply click on here to select it. And I'm paying for this. And I'm going to pay for this also. Now, I'm paying for about 3 different stores right here. And then I'm paying for this also. So the next thing I'm going to do is to simply, click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you can check on the preview of everything right here. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down right here, and then I'm paying the sum of 99.59 yen to purchase everything. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And it's going to take you right here. Here you have different means of payment. By default, you have Alipay right here, or better still, you can use your MasterCard or Visa card to make payment. Or you can also change your currency right there. And right here, for you to change your currency, simply click on here, and then this allows you to pay in any of the local currency options right here. So if you have any currency right here, you can also pay on 1688 instead of using dollar. However, everything depends on the means of payment you want to use. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this particular pop-up right here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to pay with my Alipay right here, which is already been selected. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed. Then right here, I enter my payment password. So I was able to pay to about 4 different supplier right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to close this bump up. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go to my profile. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. I'm going to simply click on here now. So we have everything right here. We have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the very last one right here. And then the very last one right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.